Hi everyone, we are going to UK Bristol about 3 days with my friend Carmen. She's from Spain, and we will go to London also, but we will be in there only 1 day. So let's see what will happen. Now it's 2 a.m. and after 1 hour we will take a bus to go to Dublin airport. And yes.
Oh my god, look at the weather. It seems like it will be rainy. You can talk. I can talk.
We have gone to the top of
Tower.
what?
Cabot Tower.
Cabot Tower.
My hand's shaking, by the way.
Yeah, look at the views. So cool. Oh yes, okay. So why?
It's flooded. Now we are going where? Carmen.
To the bridge. I don't know the name.
Yeah.
The bridge.
So actually we went to Lidl and we bought something.
And we got chicken. We're going to cook today chicken. Y este es el parque donde se sentaban
Well, I went out and I jumped in my car in that little lights. Well, I must.
Okay.
This is a real Pokemon.
Oui.
Look, it's low score for Janssen. Okay, I'm going to try 5 sets. I just need to be tight. I think this is too much.
Yes. Oh my god.
It's playing our trip, Shams.
We are going to Victory Park. These old things belong this lady behind the camera. She bought a lot of stuff for herself, a lot of nice stuff.
Talk about the day we went charity shopping. the new concept, charity shopping. And we know I
Yes,
bought
Carmen.
all the the whole street for me.
Out of budget.
I'm Mahandi Plus. I don't have money. Broke. And I bought two pants. Well, one I didn't bought this one, but I bought one. One was Wrangler, and it was 30 weeks, so it was good. The other, I took it for free. And then I took another. I bought another that is like a skater with a lot of pockets, so good. And then I bought a set that is like t-shirt and skirt for the summer, and yeah, a jumper, but it's like cozy jumpers.
Oh, sounds so nice.
Yeah, but so a lot of money, and I need also to buy shoes, but I don't have more money.
Yeah, but where are we going right now?
To the city center, we're trying to go to the boat trip.
Yeah.
If it's too expensive, we will go somewhere else because Mahandi Plus.
I think it's not. No.
But you and I, there was the same way.
Hi. Well, yesterday we were so tired. We slept sleeping like, and now we are on our way to go to Broadmead. That is the part of the city that you can buy like normal clothes because I need to buy shoes.
Let's go.
But I'm like so happy of the shoes that I have bought.
What are they?
Yeah, how to use. Take a piece of this cleanser. You can see how is the cleanser there. And add little water in your hand and work together into a paste. You make a paste. And when you're happy with the texture, massage over the face.
Yeah.
It's like exfoliant and it takes all your makeup and all your bad things.
I love this one. Is this a toilet?
Or direct. Another.
Especially for you.
Martina.
What?
Oh my god.
Followed by Heathrow. Just to let you know, anybody going to London Victoria, there will be a slight delay getting into London. This is due to the Chelsea Flower Show.
What? We are in UK, in London.
taxi.
We have this taxi in my country.
Really?
Yes.
So your country is London.
Yes. Fake London.
Yeah. Photo here.
Yeah.
You can ask someone. I can feel it in
Just taking a picture. No.
But I'm gonna push on through. What I'm gonna do is say everything's gonna be alright.
Thank you. 35.
Disappointed.
Okay, we need to go fast because if not, the shops are gonna.
It's from our lunch and Carmen. Iskender. Carmen. Carmen. Iskender.
It's gonna be amazing.
say hallelujah? Can I say hallelujah? At the end of the show, you're gonna get a prize. Yes, at the end of the show, you're gonna win £50. Yes, from this.
So we are heading back. Bye bye British English.
Dublin.